Hello, welcome to G-Puncher tutorial. This tutorial is about how to set up a sheet as from a DXF file. It's pretty easy, few steps. We're gonna start with first of all make the DXF the sheet that I already punched so I can reuse it, and I'm gonna do so. I'm gonna say File DXF. I'm going to use the DXF file option and then the option sheet tool hits. That means I'm gonna export to a DXF the sheet with the tool hits, and I'm gonna click it. It's doing the file, and now it's saying asking me to save it. I'm gonna call it remnant. Hopefully I spell it right, and I'm gonna save it. Now I'm gonna start a new project. And we have an option here that says set sheet as a DXF. When I click it, it's going to ask for the DXF file that I want as a sheet. And I'm going to click it, and I'm going to say open. You can see on the background, G-Puncher automatically set the sheet as the file. And since I already have a part, I don't need any to start with any part, so I'm going to say 00, click OK. And I'm going to set the material, which I'm going to change it to 14 gauge galvanized. It's got to be the real material you're using. And I'm going to click OK. So if I zoom in, let's zoom in a little bit. You can see all the way around that the hits are there too. Okay. Let me kind of zoom in more. You can see them. Now I'm going to zoom out. And it's kind of white. Don't like. Let me change the color real quick so you see more clearly. So that's my sheet. And I'm going to zoom in again. Now on this corner, you can see the hits along with the geometry. So now I know what was the useful part of the sheet, which is this area. And this area, this is already punched out, so you cannot use it. And I'm going to import a part so I can punch it. I'm going to say insert part, file. And I'm going to go to the parts folder. And I'm going to use the corner, not that one, but corner plate. Because I need some parts and I'm going to reuse the portion that I can on this. So I place it there and here. And out of it, I can always make a grid. I'm going to expand these backs. I'm going to say I want to get 2 in Y. Of course, I got to reduce the spacing, 0.75. Same thing with this one. Reduce the spacing, 0.75, and increase the quantity. And that's how you would use the remnant of any leftovers any project. Thank you for attending G-Puncher in this tutorial. And hopefully this option help you to maximize the use of your material. Okay, thank you. You can always call me for any questions or demonstration at 209-740-4682. Yo Torres. Thank you. Bye bye.